Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on Church's Chicken coming to Jamaica. Now Church's is a US based fast food chain that specializes in fried chicken, and they are setting up their first store in Jamaica at Mall Plaza in Halfway Tree. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. In 2025, Jamaica's fast food landscape is set to welcome a bold new entrant, Church's Chicken. Known globally as Church's Texas Chicken, the brand has announced plans to open its first location in Jamaica in the bustling Mall Plaza on Constant Spring Road in Kingston, with operations set to begin in the third quarter of 2025. This marks a significant milestone in the evolution of Jamaica's quick service restaurant sector and signals Church's intention to challenge the established dominance of brands like KFC, Popeyes, and Burger King. Church's Chicken, originally founded in Texas in 1952, has grown into one of the largest fried chicken chains in the world, with locations across the Americas, Asia, the Middle East, and the Caribbean. The company is known for its Southern-style fried chicken, hearty portions, crispy sides, and signature honey butter biscuits. The decision to enter the Jamaican market is a strategic move, as Jamaica has one of the highest per capita consumption rates of fast food in the Caribbean. Jamaican consumers are passionate about fried chicken, with KFC enjoying cult-like popularity across the island. Church's will have to offer something unique to carve out market share in the highly competitive environment. Fortunately, its focus on flavorful, spicy chicken, larger value meals, and distinct Southern-style menu items may appeal to Jamaican tastes, especially among young consumers seeking variety and new experiences. The arrival of Church's Chicken in Jamaica is being led by Global Brands Group, a Caribbean-based franchise operator with a portfolio of over 140 outlets spanning 12 major restaurant brands. With a planned US $1.2 million investment in the first Jamaican location, the group has made it clear that it is more than a test run. It is the beginning of a long-term rollout strategy across the island. If the Mall Plaza branch proves successful, other Church's Chicken restaurants are expected to open in Portmore, Spanish Town, Montego Bay, and other high-traffic urban areas. Global Brands Group's experience with operating fast food outlets in the region will likely prove essential in adapting Church's Chicken to the Jamaican market. Everything from menu design to customer service, marketing strategies, and community engagement will need to be localized to appeal to Jamaican sensibilities. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.